Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery in a Honda Civic. First we're going to take off this mounting bracket. So guys, you're going to need a 10mm wrench. You can use a socket or you can use a wrench. I'm just going to go ahead and use a wrench. Check with your the people that you bought the battery from that it is not under warranty. If it's under warranty, you get your battery for free. So now that we've taken the bracket off, what we're going to do is actually disconnect the negative side first. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect the negative side. They can also test your battery at most auto parts stores and stuff like that as well to see if you actually need a replacement or if you have other issues. So the negative terminal is off. I'm going to lay that off to the side where it's not going to connect to the positive. There's no need to take these bolts all the way out. You can just get them part way and then pull them right off. Alright, so we have the negative and then the positive off. Now when we remove the battery, you're going to want to make sure you keep it upright. Take the sleeve off. And your car may be a little bit different depending on the year, but it's all basically the same. So we're going to keep it upright. So guys, now that we're placing the new battery in, you're going to want to make sure you put it in the right way. So if you put it in this way, with the positive on the right hand side, you're just going to take it out again. So make sure that you get the positive on the side that the positive will reach, and that nothing's in the way. You want it to lay flat on the actual tray. So guys, it's flat on the tray. We have these caps on the top. We're going to remove those, and we're going to actually place this battery back in the reverse of how we took it out. So guys, now that we have the battery in, we're going to go ahead and put the cover back on. And with the cover back on, we're going to do this the reverse of what we did last time. So we're going to go positive first, and then we're going to tighten that down. And if they didn't mark your battery for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and mark it for my own future reference. I'm going to mark it. Okay, so now when I look at this battery again in 3 years, I'll know when I removed it. Alright guys, the next step is to place on the negative terminal. So we're going to go ahead and lay that in place, just like it came. And we're going to tighten down the bolt. Now guys, make sure everything is tight. It's not going to wiggle off. Okay, so we got it on there tight. We got the negative on there tight. We're going to put the bracket back over the top. Now this bracket on my car, it hooks down at the bottom, and the hook came undone. So I'm going to rehook it. See, hook came undone. So this hook goes on the back side of the battery. I'm going to place the bracket over. And this hook as well. And then we're going to go ahead and screw it down. So you guys just make sure you keep the receipt for this battery so that you won't, if you lost your receipt for the last one and weren't able to get the warranty, make sure you keep the receipt for this one so you don't have the same problem. Make sure it's in there good and tight. Alright, everything back the way it was when we found it. Go ahead and put my rag away. And now guys, make sure you recycle your old battery. Most auto parts store, if not all of them, will take back your old battery. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it helped you, please leave a like. Please comment on the video if you guys have any questions. And please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a good day.